Welcome back, guys. We are here with a new video. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe.
We have to go round, love. What's up?
AD500 to get an extra £500 on top. Sell your car to us. It's easy. Extra £500 applies to vehicles valued at £2,000 or more. Search Arnold Clark Sell My Car. Clyde One loves getting ready for the future with new college Lanarkshire. Take your place. Range of courses that will help build your career, from engineering to dental nursing, sport and fitness to music and sound production. Be part of something special and see where they can take you. Head to mclanarkshire.com.
AP, put that down, was brushing on the silhouette. Pussy in my plate, make it play, cause I don't want my daily life. I'm at the house with the gates, I don't see no Jakes when I'm living here. It's the first time I'm eating your pussy, so I wanna taste a little bit.
Oh, he's running.
Mum, do you know what terminal you fly from? Front, yeah, T2. No, you're not. You fly from T1. From what do you mean? I went, Greek flights rejected.
He would have been.
Told you. Would have cut your hand, not mine.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to play this video twice, so currently I'm plodding along. Let's have a see. And up in the distance, just after the bend, I can see a blue flashing light. I can't see what the problem is, so I'm slowing down. I don't know whether you can tell. Obviously everybody else isn't. And then this happens.
On UK soil. It was expected Ollie Robinson would be back, but apparently he could still fairly have an issue when he...
So as you'd have noticed, when I'm driving along, I'm on a really, really long straight, clear road up ahead. And we can't see it yet, but there's a broken down camper van a bit further ahead with a police car behind it, and that was the blue light I saw. But as you can see, the banking on the right is probably 2 or 3 foot high, so if you're in a car flying down lane 2, it's very difficult to see round a bend. So I'm just wondering whether the police have located the police car and put these cones out in the wrong place, because as far as I'm concerned, maybe the
Right. Right, can you call Mum? You pair okay?
Yeah.